Hi, I'm Red, and you're watching Pirate Garage. Today we're back on the eBay EM2. I know I haven't really updated you guys recently, but I wanted to get those EG videos out and give you guys an update on my Civic. But I've been driving this car around a little bit and started smoking, so I had to do a little repair on the turbo, and I may or may not have done it right, I don't know, but it just takes too long to spool. I don't like it. So the turbo's a little bit too big, or at least the turbine side. So we ordered a new turbo, another eBay turbo, super cheap, because the last one, technically I got it for free, so it's whatever. This one, the difference, I mean, it is a little bit smaller, but that's not really what I was looking for. The reason why I got this one is, if you guys look, see, the turbine housing right here, they have different ARs, is what they call it. It stands for area radius. And the larger the number, the larger the turbine housing is. So, depending on the displacement of your engine, how many cylinders you have, you need to match the AR to the engine. This turbo, it was just given to me. It's an AR63, which is pretty decent size for a 4-cylinder engine. But this is a 1.7 single cam, doesn't really push a lot of air. So I really didn't like that spool time. So I bought an AR48. So this one will spool a lot faster. It won't make as much peak power, but it really doesn't matter because this engine, these D17s, they just blow up at like 250 horsepower anyways. So me and Tim, we're gonna throw this bad boy on, and hopefully we'll feel some quicker spool. Should run nice. Little baby turbo, but it's good for this engine. Okay, you can tell that this turbo is a little bit bigger than the other one, but whatever. You know, I'm just gonna run this one for now. We'll have some fun with it. It'll be boosting, and later maybe we'll build the motor. Maybe we'll put a bigger turbo. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. So yeah, I just gotta loosen all this stuff up. I gotta clock this bad boy because turbos are for different applications, and you got to make sure that they're clocked in the direction that you need them for what you're trying to do. So I'm gonna reclock this one so it matches this. When I put this this new turbo on, I won't have any issues. So just bear with me. Give me a minute. Gotta loosen all these bolts. Woo.
That's sweet.
No, it's a 13. It's a 13 or half. I don't know. That's normally what these are. So this one's gonna go like this. Oh my God. Yeah. I think I forgot to loosen one. No. Alright, well, I'm gonna clock this for now. Just tighten one. Woo! This thing is on there. Oh, there we go. Yes, that's it. Ain't gonna work. Okay.
Put some elbow grease into that one.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Oh, I think it's just like a snap. Ooh, nasty. Yeah, this turbo is done, dude. Here, come here, check this out. Disgusting. Yeah, it was a turbo. Look at that. Ugh.
That is nasty.
It's super disgusting, dude. That's why we're changing it.
Huh.
She done.
It's alright.
It's okay. I don't care. eBay parts, super cheap. So, let's give it a minute. Just turn all these things off and we'll be good. All right, well, got the new turbo in. It's kind of a pain. It sits a little bit different than the other turbo, and unfortunately the downpipe doesn't fit. So, oh well, I'll just have to take it back to the muffler shop. So, I'm gonna pull the ECU fuse. We're gonna prime the motor, see where it's at. grab the oxygen sensor. Look at it. Here, can the camera see us?
Yeah.
Go in the car and prime. Alright, so we're going to prime the motor so we can get a little bit of oil going through this turbo, because you don't want to start it when it's dry. So here, just crank it a little bit, Tim.
Alright, let me know.
Go. Okay. That should be enough. Let's hear this bad boy spool. Hit it, Tim. So turbo spins, sounds pretty good. I can hear the spoolie noises. So all we got to do is take it back to the muffler shop, get them to kind of move the flange a little bit so we can bolt up the exhaust, and we'll hit some boost. Sorry we couldn't do any driving videos this time, but for sure next time. The goal is to get this thing to run good, be consistent, reliable, and we can take it to the dyno and get this bad boy tuned. But I got the oil return line. I use 245s. It's a much cleaner shot straight into the oil pan. And then, yeah, we need to see some power on this thing. So soon, guys, just be patient. But like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.